Do you want to truly stand out from your competition and better connect with your audience? Do you want to build an extraordinary brand you are proud of, even on an extremely tight budget? Well, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Sumner Hobart, and I've had the great fortune of working with some of the world's largest brands, including Adidas, Procter & Gamble, and Amazon, as well as creating and partnering with several successful small businesses and startups on my own, and even spending over $1,000 on business branding courses. And I'm going to share all of my knowledge with you right here in this course. By the end of this course, you will have a step-by-step guide to building an extraordinary brand you are proud of, even on an extremely tight budget. In this course, you will learn what true branding is all about, which is very different from what most people think branding is. First, we will understand who your audience is, what they need, and how to better serve them than your competition. Next, we will develop a list of values and a mission statement that will help bring definition and guide your brand. Then I will help you position your brand in the marketplace to set it up for the best chances of success humanly possible. Following that, we will breathe life and build a robust and full personality to your brand. We will take everything that we cover and condense it down into one single statement, into the brand idea. And we will take all of this strategy, and use this to then fuel what most people usually think of when they think of branding, including creating an iconic and memorable tagline, a beautiful and powerful brand name, your brand typography, your brand colors, your logo, and so much more, all on a tight budget. If you don't see a dramatic improvement to your brand by taking this course, Udemy will give you a full 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose and so much to gain. Enroll now and stand out today.